Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to exciting 3-hour actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. We today start with an update on Divi's Laboratories. Our analyst has retained a buy recommendation on Divi's Laboratories with a revised price target of Rs 5,620. Quarter 1 was a strong quarter, though results were a tad below the estimates. Divi's has identified 6 pillars that would propel the company's growth going ahead. This includes growing existing molecules and market share gains from them, new areas of contrast media, expanding the offerings in sartans, that is APIs, growing the custom synthesis business, and focus on product going off patent over the next 2 years. Given its established capabilities, backward integration benefits, focus on quality, and benefits of scale, coupled with major capacity expansion plans going on stream, Divi's Laboratories is best placed to cater to increasing demand from global big pharma companies. Therefore, sales is expected to post a sturdy 24% CAGR and profits to post 30% CAGR, respectively over FY21 to FY23 earnings estimates. Next on radar is Ipca Laboratories. Our analyst has retained a buy recommendation on Ipca Laboratories with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,560. Quarter 1 was a weak quarter, but the results were ahead of estimates. Ipca's domestic formulation, which constitutes approximately 40% of the overall top line, is on a strong footing and management has guided for double-digit growth of 16 to 18% in FY 2022 earning estimates. This would be on the back of a strong growth expected in chronics as well as acute therapies. Over the long term, commissioning of the Devas plant and a robust growth outlook for APIs would drive the API segment performance. Given the strong demand current in domestic formulation, management is contemplating an upward revision for FY 2022 growth guidance, though this could be after quarter 2 results. At the current market price, the stock is trading at a valuation of 24.3 times its 22 earning estimates and 21.2 times its FY23 earning EPS. Strong earning prospect, a sturdy balance sheet, and healthy return ratios augur well for Ipca Laboratories. Next, we discuss Tata Power's result. Our analysts recommend buy on Tata Power with a price target of Rs 165. Its focus on high growth renewable energy and power distribution will drive robust PAT CAGR of 24% over FY21 to FY24 earning estimates. Quarter 1 PAT at Rs 391 crore was up by 89% year on year. It was ahead of our estimate, led by favorable APTEL order for CGPL, higher profits from coal JVs on high coal prices, and robust growth in renewable energy business. Next re-rating trigger could be as follows: likely improvement in ROE to 9.4% by FY24, continued balance sheet deleveraging, improving ESG rating, and potential monetization of RE business. Tata Power's plans to foray into the transmission business in a partnership with Tata Project. This is a positive step. Valuation of 1.7 times FY23 earnings price to book value is attractive considering a strong growth outlook and likely sharp ROE improvement. So these were the 3R updates for today. Do like and subscribe to our podcast. Stay safe and healthy. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.